In this session, we will discuss what is a finite set and what is an infinite set. So, finite set is a set which the number of elements in the set is countable, is always countable. So, for example, and it ends with some certain positive natural number. It is ending with some certain positive natural number. So, if you take this example and if you observe this set, this is a set which consists the number of elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in this set, if you find the number of elements in the set are 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is countable. Yes, it is countable. You can count it and it is ending with some certain positive natural numbers. It is ending with 4. It is a positive natural number. So, we can say that it is a finite set. So, finite set is nothing but a normal set in which the number of elements can be countable. Right. An infinite set is a set where the number of elements in the set is not countable and it may not end with the natural positive number. So, if we take this example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on means there is no end for this set. It is not ending. So, which is the last element of the set is unknown here. So, which is not countable. It is not ending with some natural number. So, we call this as an infinite set. If it is not ending, the process is going on and it is not ending. The ending process is going on. There is no stopping for this continuity. So, then we can say that is an infinite set. So, we have two sets, finite and infinite. Very simple. Finite set is a set where the number of elements are countable. Infinite set is a set where the number of elements are not countable. It is no limit for this, but it is a limited. It is a limited, but it is a unlimited. It is not a limited. The number of elements in this are unlimited, but here it is limited. So, we can take some examples. For example, if I say like A is a set, so which consists the number of elements like A, B and C. So, if I observe my set A, so this has the number of elements A, B and C. So, number of elements in the set is 1, 2 and 3. So, we can represent the number of elements in the set with n. N represents the number of the set A. The number of set A is equal to what? Then how many number of elements that the set A consists? 1, 2 and 3. So, it consists 3 elements. So, we call this as a finite set. This is a finite set. This is a finite set. Yes, true. This is a finite set because the number of elements is countable. Now, we will take the other example. So, set B. I have a set B. So, which is equal to set of all natural numbers, which is 1, 2 and 3 and so on. So, if I say like this, this is a set and the number of elements in the set is, if I say number of elements in the set B is, we cannot count how many number of elements will be, since it is a non-ending process. It is not ending. So, it is nothing but an unlimited. So, we can say it is an unlimited. We cannot say a fixed value for the number of elements in set B. So, in this case, this is an infinite set. We call this as an infinite set. So, we can take any example. So, we can take some example like a set of natural numbers. So, if A is equal to set of natural numbers which is less than 25, Can I say this is a finite set? Yes, this is a finite set. Why? Because Why? Because the answer is less than 25 natural numbers are 24. So it is countable. So I can say this as a finite set. When I say the whole numbers, set of whole numbers, so the set of whole numbers are what? Your negative number, your positive number, and the 0. And it is never ending process. You have a continuous number, set of whole numbers. You will be having all negatives here, 0, and all positives here. In this case, I can say this is an infinite set because the number of elements in this are not countable. So when the set number of elements are countable, then we can say it is a finite. If the number of elements are not countable, we can say it is a infinite.